Disney's Mickey and Minnie. A sure cure for the hiccups. Mickey sighed. He had been hiccuping all morning, and it was very hard to paint shutters with the hiccups. Every time Mickey picked up his brush, hic! His body shook and paint flew everywhere. Minnie was passing by and noticed that Mickey looked upset. "What's wrong?" she asked. "Oh, hic! Minnie," Mickey replied. "It's nothing. Hic! I just can't seem to, hic! Get rid of these hiccups." Minnie invited Mickey next door. Inside, she poured him a glass of water. "Take a tiny sip," Minnie said. "Then count to 5 and take another sip." Mickey gave it a try, but the hiccups just kept coming. Said Minnie. "Try it with your eyes closed." Mickey closed his eyes and took a sip. 1, 2, 3, 4, hic! Just then, there was a knock at Minnie's door. Daisy had come over for their daily walk. "Hiya, hic, Daisy," said Mickey. "Hic, hic." "Wow," Daisy said, coming inside. "It sounds like you need my tried and true hiccup cure. It may seem silly, but it will take your mind off your hiccups. Just do what I do." Daisy stood on her tiptoes. Mickey did too. Daisy twirled out Minnie's front door. Mickey did too. Daisy did 2 high kicks, tap danced down the front walk, spun around once, and took a bow. Mickey wasn't sure he could do all that, but he was willing to try anything. So he high kicked, tap danced, and spun right by Daisy's side. "Good job, Mickey," Daisy said. "How are your hiccups?" Mickey's face brightened. "Hey, he shouted. "I think they're gone." "Thanks, Daisy, you're the hic." Mickey frowned. "I guess they're not gone after all." Said Daisy. "Maybe Donald knows a good cure for hiccups. Let's go ask him." The 3 friends set out to find Donald, but Minnie and Daisy were much faster than Mickey. When he arrived at Donald's house, they were waiting at the front door. "Well, where's Donald?" Mickey asked. Before Daisy could answer, Donald jumped out at Mickey. "Ah!" Mickey cried. "Sorry, Mickey," Donald said. "Daisy and Minnie said you had hiccups. I thought maybe I could scare them away." Minnie, Daisy, and Donald watched Mickey closely. "Did it work?" Minnie asked. But Mickey just hiccuped again. "Oh, phooey," Donald said. Mickey tried everything he could think of to get rid of the hiccups. He stood on his head while saying the alphabet backward. Hic! He held his nose and whistled a tune while hopping on one foot. Hic! He skipped rope and sang, "My name is Mickey. Hic! I have a friend named Minnie. Hic! And I like mints. Hic! Hic!" Mickey sat down in Donald's hammock and mopped. He started to feel like he would never get rid of his hiccups. "It's no use," he said to his friends. "I think my hiccups are here to stay." Daisy led Minnie and Donald to the side of the yard. The 3 of them whispered to one another for several minutes. They had to find a way to help Mickey. Finally, Donald rushed inside and returned with a large sack. Donald reached into the sack and pulled out some blocks. Concentrating hard, he balanced 3 of them on his bill. Next, Minnie and Daisy pulled 2 hoops out of the sack. They hung one of each of Donald's arms, and he began to twirl them. "Okay, Mickey," Donald said. "Now you try." Mickey wanted to try, but all he could do was laugh. "I'm sorry, Donald," he said between giggles. "You just look so silly." "Silly?" Donald said crossly. "You call this silly?" Mickey just laughed harder. When he finally stopped laughing, Mickey realized something. His hiccups were gone. He and his friends waited and waited, but not another hiccup came. "I did it!" Donald cried. "I cured Mickey!" sure did, Donald, Mickey said. I guess laughter really is the best medicine for hiccups. The end.